Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share something exciting with you guys. I got my Omega juicer, and I don't know if you guys know of the medical medium, but I've been following him for a few months now, and he talks about celery juice, how amazing it is. I actually started doing celery juice, but I was using my Duvolle juicer, so he recommended using this Omega juicer just because of the way it juices the celery. That's the celery that I cut up this morning, but it comes with a little guide here, and you just follow the guide. And it also comes with these 2 containers here and a little toothbrush. And the bristles on this brush are pretty stiff. It also comes with a little strainer so you can strain your celery juice. Yeah, it also came with this little juice bottle. I haven't opened this yet, but I'll go ahead and open it in a little bit. And then this is the Celery Juice Cleanse book by Anthony William, who is the medical medium. I have not read this yet, but I will. But yeah, let's go ahead and set up this little juicer. We'll juice together using this for the first time. Let's see if I know how to do it properly. Okay, so. And that's basically it. That's it, huh, Armand? Yeah. And you use this to like put the stuff down and all that stuff. So you want to go ahead and rinse all the parts first. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so everything is rinsed now. That was really easy. So I got that piece in. This piece goes up here. Like, I don't think it matters like which way you put this. So that, and then you put this in here. And then you just stick this in here.
Mommy, I want to see it.
You want to see it, baby?
Yeah, I want to see this here.
Cool, all done. Yay. All right, so that's that. We put the big one like this. There you go. This one like this, right? Yeah. All right, let's plug it in, baby. I have my little helper here. Mommy's helper today? All right, let's start, baby. Okay, let's push the on button. Where's that on button? Right here. All right. So he just turned it on. The on button was right back there. Okay. So let's do our first little bunch of celery. You got it. Hey, no, don't touch that anymore. Let's just turn it on though. Okay. Oh, you gotta hold it? That's weird. You gotta hold that on button. Oh, there you go. You have to push it. There's an actual on button. Whoa, look, it's making the juice down there. This is gonna take, oh, no. You have to use that, okay? Good job. This is like super dry coming out of it. Yeah. Wow. When I would use my Duvolle juicer, guys, it would come out soaking wet, and sometimes there would be full parts of the veggies or fruits coming out. So you can see, this is like literally shredding every single juice out of it. Come on. Ooh, it's smoking. Look, Armand. Whoa, I smell celery juice. Look, smell it. Do you smell it? Look, smell it, baby. Smell it? What do you smell? Let's turn it off. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna unplug it. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Please be careful. Okay, just pull all this out. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, guys, it's really hot right there. But look how much of this I got. Yeah, this is all really warm too, and it's dry. That's insane. I thought he was kidding. I was like, maybe there's gonna be some juice, but look, it's dry. My hands are literally dry. There's no wetness on it. Incredible. All right, you ready for some celery juice?
Yeah.
All right, let's do celery juice together. Careful, be careful. I still like dripping, but it's okay. This is Armand's celery juice. Oh wait, we gotta strain it actually. Oh, dang. Wow, this is so effective. I got some spillage. Oh, no, Armand, this is mommy's, okay? This one's yours, okay? This is mommy's. Let's do yours now, okay? This one's yours. I got some celery juice spillage, but look at that. It strained out some stuff. So you really get all the juice and no pulp or no, like none of that. That's crazy. That's pretty cool, huh, Armand? Okay, you do yours now. Careful. Uh-oh. Slowly. Wow. I never get this much celery juice out. Yeah. When I juice it with my Duvolle juicer, I never get this much celery juice out, but wow. Look, there was still like stuff in there. That's crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. All right, Armand, cheers. Let's do cheers. Cheers. Not bad. You like it? It's a little bitter. But that's basically it. Thanks for juicing with us. This is the Omega Juicer MM900. That's what it's called. So yeah, celery juice. You guys can definitely look at their, check out this book. And yeah, thumbs up this video if you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah, you did.
Good job.
Good job, Armand.